Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase predictive modeling with IBM Watson. Full guides. To increase predictive modeling with IBM Watson, you first need to gather your data. Identify the specific problem you aim to solve with predictive modeling. Once you have your data, clean and pre-process it to ensure accuracy. This includes handling missing values and removing duplicates. Next, divide your dataset into training and testing subsets. The training set will be used to build your predictive model. The testing set will evaluate the model's performance. Open your IBM Watson account and navigate to the Watson Studio. Here, you will create a new project and define its parameters. Upload your pre-processed dataset into the project. Once your data is uploaded, initiate the Auto AI feature in Watson. Auto AI automates the process of model selection and hyperparameter tuning. It will analyze your data and recommend the best algorithms. Review the recommended models and select the one that aligns with your objectives. You can fine-tune the model settings as needed. After finalizing the model, proceed to train it using your training data. Monitor the training process for any potential issues or errors. Once training is complete, evaluate the model using your testing set. Review the accuracy and performance metrics provided by Watson. If the results meet your expectations, you can proceed to deploy the model. IBM Watson allows you to deploy your model as an API for easy access. Once deployed, integrate the model into your application or workflow. Continuously monitor the model's performance over time. Be prepared to retrain the model with new data as it becomes available. This ensures that your predictive model remains effective and accurate. By following these steps, you can enhance your predictive modeling capabilities with IBM Watson. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.